Hi there, my name's Mike, and in this short help video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can send any quiz leads and their quiz responses to your Google Sheets or your Google Docs account. Now, first, you're obviously going to need to create a quiz, a personality test, or some other interactive content with Riddle. But once your content is in a finished place, you'll need to click on Publish and click Publish Now. And next, you're going to want to go to Save Leads. And this is where we let you have control over how your quiz leads are saved and managed. In this case, I'm going to click on Google Sheets, Add, and I'll pick an account. And then, of course, get permission. And you'll see here now I've actually activated it. What our tool then does is it goes off to that account and creates a spreadsheet and sends a test lead. So you'll see here, I was like, okay, we've sent that. Let's go take a look at this lead. I'm going to send another one just to demonstrate this one more time. Now I'm going to click on View Leads. This is going to go to my account, and you'll see here, these are two sample leads. The Google Sheet has one column for every field in this particular riddle. So you'll see here it's a question. These are all the different answers. This is the question text, but here are the leads. So these are the different sample answers that we've got. We also have some demonstration results for, okay, which results percentages, we got that, and so on. So you'll see here, we give you control over everything, so you can say, okay, what data do I really need? And then you can winnow it down accordingly. We also include a date stamp, so you can tell when each quiz taker filled in your lead form. So really powerful, really flexible. Last step is we also name everything just with Riddle-Quiz ID. If you don't want that, of course, you can rename it, but this is a good default. So that's it. That's Google Sheets. That's connecting with Riddle's Quizmaker. If you have any questions, of course, just give us a shout on support, and we are always happy to help. All right, thanks so much, and happy riddling.